Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Lutown-Teen 10-inch mattress, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because easy assembly. Box spring parts, required hardware, and clear installation instructions are all packed in the box. You can install this Cali King box spring in 20 to 30 minutes. Box spring cover included. The all-size box spring only includes a fabric box spring cover that is easy to remove for cleaning. Noise-free design. No squeak. High all-size box spring provide you a quiet, peaceful, and comfortable and sleeping time. Sturdy and stable. We choose high-quality metal materials to prevent the whole box spring structure twisting. Maximum weight recommendation, 2,000 pounds. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.